And what's the objective statement? An objective statement is a series of statements that express an organization's quality and qualitative goals for reaching a desired future position. And for statement of corporate objectives for fine value furniture, we can see this part. And what is the competitive strategy? And this is the method by which an organization attempts to achieve its mission and objectives. Main types is low cost producer and product differentiation, and product focus or niche. And in this part, generic comparative strategies. In this table we can see this. And the others is information systems planning, which is an ordinary means of assessing the information needs of an organization and define systems, database, and technologies that will best meet those needs. And ISP must be done in accordance with the organization's mission, objectives, and competitive strategy. In this table, parallel activities of comparative strategy planning and information systems planning. And IS planning, information system planning is continuous here, and IS planning must be kept in line with comparative strategy planning. And what's the top-down planning? Top-down planning is attempts to gain and broad understanding of information system needs of the entire organization and offers. And first of all is a broader perspective, and the others improved interrogation, improved management support, and better understanding. And what's the bottom-up planning? Bottom-up planning is identifies IS development projects based on solving specific operational business problems, or taking advantage of specific opportunities. Can be faster and less costly, so may be beneficial in creating circumstances. And in this part, business functions, data entities, and information system of PVF, and information systems planning information, fine value furniture. And the others is functional decomposition and breaking high-level abstract information smaller units for more detailed planning. And information systems planning of fine furniture. We can see this part, information systems planning fine value furniture. And we can see this first, the information systems planning of fine value furniture. And in this part, IS planning matrix describes relationships between pairs of organization elements: location, function, business unit, objective, process, data, and information system. And information system planning information systems planning of fine value furniture, and data entity to function matrix. And the next one is IS plan components. And what's IS plan components? Briefly describe mission, objectives, and strategy of the organization. Provide summary of current and future processes, functions, data entities, and information needs of the enterprise. And in this here, continue for IS plan components and describe primary role IS will play in organization to transform enterprise from current to future state, and describe limitations imposed by technology and current levels of financial and technical and personal resource. And summarize overall information systems needs in the company and set long-term strategies for filling the needs, and show detailed inventory of present project and systems and detailed plan for the current year, and describe unknown but likely events that can affect the plan presently known business change elements, and description of their impact on the plan. And in this part, we can see the information systems plan. Systems flow development projects flow from the information system plan. And what's the electronic conference applications and internet basics? And first, you will learn the electronic conference and internet-based communication to support day-to-day business activities. And what the internet is a large worldwide network of networks that use a common protocol to communicate with each other. And internet is internet-based communication to support business activities within a single organization. And what's the extranet? Extranet is internet-based communication to support business-to-business activities. And what's the electronic data interchange? And electronic data interchange is the use of telecommunication technologies to directly transfer business documentation between organizations. And we can see this table unknowns that must be dealt with when designing and building internet application. What we have to do: users, connection speed, and access method. We can see this part. And what we did learn in this chapter. For summary, is describe the project identification and selection process, and describe comparative strategic planning and information systems planning, and explain the relationship between comparative strategic planning and IS planning, and describe how IS planning can assist in system development, project identification and selection, and analyze IS planning matrices. And the last one, describe three classes of e-commerce applications. And thank you for watching this. Thank you.